Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. If you always pray dua, you always trust that Allah will answer my dua, not because of who I am, but because who is He is. La ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. If you worried over the past, make dua to Allah. He will beheal you. Scared about the future, make dua to Allah. He will remove your fear. Don't forget to click the bell and next to subscribe my channel and to be notification of new upload. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.